Hi folks, I'm Alex from MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Today I'd like to present to you this beautiful 2009 Malibu Wakesetter LSV. This boat just came in trade. It's a one-owner boat here from the lake, freshwater, always kept on a lift under a covered dock. So this particular boat here has only 327 hours, so it has been ran, but not as much as some people tend to put on as far as hours on the boat. So this is a really clean boat. Everything is original. There's no defects on the boat. Everything is running perfect. It was just serviced, and all the fluids, everything has been changed. So this boat is ready to go if you would like to really have a boat for the fraction of a price and enjoy it for many years to come. The boat has a 350 horsepower Inmer engine. This is a V-drive. This is one of those boats that has the diamond hull, which was specifically designed to create a special wake when it comes, or no wake actually, when it comes to slalom skiing, but at the same time, at slower speeds, it actually kicks up a pretty big wake if you're into wakeboarding or perhaps trying to do other water sports that requires a bigger wake. The boat actually does have 4 built-in ballast tanks. These are hard tanks. They come from the factory, 2 in the rear, 1 in the center, and 1 hard tank in the front. They can all be activated via a switch. You can fill them up, empty them just with a switch. And at the same time, you can have all the controls of the boat through the MaliView screen, which will give you all the engine information, all the ballast tanks as far as whether they're full, half full, empty. You'll have control of all of that with the MaliView screen. The boat, once again, it has only 327 hours. It's equipped from factory with tower speakers. It has the upgraded sound system with a subwoofer. It does have underneath here dual batteries, and it does have also the 3 amplifiers for the 3 different zones in the boat. Give us a call. I'm here, Alex and MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. Come and see us. This boat's not going to last long, so I'll be happy to show you. Come back and see us as soon as you can.